All right, let's go ahead and add some finishing powder because your girl's looking like a glazed donut. Oh shit, I just dropped some. Anyways, looking like a glazed donut and it's not flying. Hey you, it's Kyla Lou. Not really sure what I was doing with my arms there, but have you been working out? No? Yeah, same. But you're looking good, my friend. Dang. Today, you guys, I'm so pumped because I'm gonna be talking about affiliate marketing, which I just absolutely love talking about because to me, it's like the coolest thing ever. We're gonna be talking about why affiliate marketing is the best if you wanna start a side hustle and make some of that little extra cash on the side, or if you want to eventually transition into making a full-time income online, working from your computer. You can literally travel wherever you want. All you need is your laptop and an internet connection and you're good. Hashtag laptop lifestyle. Now, for those of you who are wondering,
what is affiliate marketing?
let me go ahead and walk you through this. All right, so let's use this finishing powder that is now all over my floor, but let's use this as an example. So I have this product, I bought it and I love it. And let's say I went onto e.l.f.'s website and I saw that they have an affiliate program. Now, I honestly have no clue if e.l.f. does actually have an affiliate program, but let's say I went onto their website, I saw that they have an affiliate program, so I signed up to be an affiliate. Now, most affiliate programs are free to join, which is awesome, but when you sign up to be an affiliate, you're not signing up to be an employee and you're not signing up as like a network marketer. So I don't have to go and like get a team of people. I don't have to go and hound my friends and family, you know, to go and buy this product or join my team. Like that's not what affiliate marketing is. Think of affiliate marketing as if you had your favorite restaurant or your favorite product and you recommended it to someone else, and when they bought it, you got paid, okay? So let me walk you through this. I signed up to be an affiliate for this product and I'm gonna receive a link that is unique to me. So no one else is gonna have this link. And then I can go and recommend this product to people. So if I have friends that are interested, or let's say I wanted to go and post on social media, or I wanted to create YouTube videos about it, or TikToks, or a blog post, then I can go ahead and post that link wherever I'm talking about said product. And then when someone goes and buys this product through my unique link, then I'm going to receive a commission and the company will then pay me a portion of the sale for this product. And you guys, that's what affiliate marketing is. So now I'm going to prove to you guys why affiliate marketing truly is the best side hustle to start, or the best way to start making money online. So to do that, let's go ahead and jump onto my computer. Okay, so here we have a little whiteboard set up on my computer and I'm so pumped to share this with you guys. So first, in order to understand why affiliate marketing is so great, we have to talk about it in relationship to just a traditional online business and what that actually takes, because so many people online these days are talking about starting an online business, right? Especially with the global pandemic and all that good stuff. Like everyone's wanting to learn how to work from home or, you know, make money from their computer. People want to be able to travel, right? All that good stuff. But there is still a little bit of a hang up that people don't quite understand. So in order to help you guys understand that, we need to talk about the 5 core things that you need to start an online business, okay? Now, all 5 of these things are equal in importance and you need all 5 of them, okay? So let's walk through this. So first of all, we have products, okay? So let's go ahead, add that up here. Okay, we have products. Second on our list, we have marketing. Okay, let's go ahead and place that right there. Then we have sales. And yes, sales and marketing are different, and we can talk about that in a little bit in this video. Okay, so we've got sales there. I apologize for all of my OCD people out there that those are not really quite, you know, in line. Okay, and then fourth, we have fulfillment. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead, add that there. And then last we have customer service. Okay, so these are the 5 building blocks for an online business and even a traditional business as well. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at. So let's get some lines going here. Okay, perfect. We've got products. Let's make this one a little bit smaller. Okay, so then let's separate them here. I do have a whiteboard here on the wall next to me that I can use, like right over here. But I just think this is a little bit better and it makes it a little bit easier for you guys to see. So now we have a traditional, wow, can I spell?
Do you know how to spell?
Let's get back to the action.
Traditional online business. I want to be able to place this. Well, it's kind of going into our product section, but let's go ahead and just add that in right there, okay? And then I want to look at it from the perspective of an affiliate. Go ahead, add that right there. We can go ahead and separate these. Okay, perfect. Now we've got everything set up. So let's start with the first one. We have products. So with a traditional online business, now within this video, I'm going to be super general, okay? Give you a lot of general numbers. Obviously, things can change depending on what you're doing with your business because there's so many different things you can do, but you'll need to create a product, or maybe you're not only creating one product, you're creating multiple products. But typically the time that it takes to create a product is, you know, give or take, again, these are really general numbers, about 6 weeks or sometimes even more, okay? So let's go ahead and add that in there for our traditional business with the products. So it's gonna take a decent amount of time, regardless if you're outsourcing work and you're paying other people to help you create the product or you're doing it yourself. It's gonna require time and money and resources from you to create that product. And at this time, you are gonna be dedicating 100% of your time to creating the product, okay? Now, as an affiliate, here's what's super cool. You don't need to create the product. So no product creation. Let's go ahead and add that in because the company is actually in charge of creating the product. So you as an affiliate don't actually have to do that yourself. So you can start promoting day one, okay? So it's not gonna take you 6 weeks plus to start, you know, getting the momentum going for your business. You can start doing that from day one, okay? Now let's move on to the marketing. So once you've got the product created, you now need to let other people know about it. And usually that means going online, either doing ads or doing organic traffic, like creating YouTube videos, blog posts, things like that. So when it comes to the marketing, you'll then be dedicating 100% of your time to the marketing, okay? So let's go ahead, add that up there, okay? So your product's created, you don't need to worry about the product creation anymore. You can then focus 100% of your time on the marketing. And if we jump down looking at the affiliate things, you can then do the same for that. You can go ahead, 100%, of your time is dedicated to the marketing. So letting other people know about the product. And really your job as an affiliate is to help point people to products that will help them more, right? Your job is to learn about the customers, what products could help them achieve their goals either faster or more efficiently. You know, that's really the same thing, but you guys get the idea. And then, you know, say, hey, this product would be a really great fit for you, okay? So then if we look back at the traditional online business, then we have sales, okay? So once you have the marketing, you're letting people know about the product, you then have to be able to convert them. So let's say you have a website or a sales funnel. I talk about sales funnels a lot here on this channel. And once they go into the sales funnel, most people aren't just gonna go and buy right away. Some people might, but there's gonna need to be a sales process in order to convert them from just viewers to customers, right? And you need to set up that process. So let's say, you know, generously, if you have the sales process set up correctly and you've done enough research and time, let's say it takes about 10% of your time focused on the sales, okay? So you then need to start focusing time on sales, and that is gonna take away from your marketing. So now let's decrease this. Now you can only focus 90% of your time on the marketing because you need to focus 10% of your time on the sales and making conversions and making sure all of that good stuff works, okay? Now, with affiliate marketing, you are not in charge of the sales. So that is actually 0% of your time, and you can still focus all of your efforts on the marketing because you're gonna then push people to the products, and the companies are then in charge of selling their customers, right? Selling them on the product. And that's why it is so important as an affiliate to choose products that have a good sales process that actually do convert their visitors, because then you really don't have to worry about it and you can sit back and just focus on the marketing, okay? Then we have the fulfillment. So once people have gone through your sales process, they're then gonna start buying your product, and you then need to fulfill on that. So whether you're delivering physical products, or let's say one of the things you're selling is a live call, so then you need to fulfill on your time, getting on with them. So let's say, again, roughly, you're gonna spend 30% of your time on fulfillment, okay? So again, that's gonna take away time from the marketing here. Okay, so let's get rid of that. So now you can only spend 60% of your time on the marketing, okay? Because you're then now working on fulfilling the product, making sure that people are getting it, that the emails are all working, all of that good stuff. And with affiliate marketing, yeah, you probably guessed it, you don't need to worry about the fulfillment. Again, that's all gonna be on the company. Once people buy the products, the company is then in charge of fulfilling the product, making sure that the customers get that, all of that good stuff. And yep, again, you're still focusing all of your efforts on the marketing, okay? Then we've got our last block, which is customer service. Now, this is gonna depend again on the types of products you have and your refund policies and your ability, either you have a team or maybe it's just you. Again, this is gonna vary, but inevitably, most people always have to do at least a little bit of customer service. So let's say bare minimum as a company or as you starting out as a solo entrepreneur, you're doing 10% customer service, whether it's responding to questions or refunding orders, things like that. Customer service is there. And again, that's gonna take away from your time getting people into your business. So now we're down to 50% of your time can be spent to the marketing, which isn't bad, but it'd be nice if you could do 100% of your time, right? And then you have to fulfill on the customer service and deal with that. You might have to deal with some angry people. You might have to just have that extra headache that comes with customer service. And with affiliate marketing, I love this. You do not have to do customer service. So if your customers have a problem with the product, that's not on you as an affiliate. They have to actually take that up with the company and you don't have to deal with it. So looking at this, you still can spend 100% of your time on the marketing. So the reason why this is really such a great side hustle is one, you can start from day one. You can find a few affiliate products to promote, and then you can start on the marketing, whether you've chosen organic marketing or paid ads, or you can do both, right? You can focus your time on that, and you don't need time dedicated to sales and fulfillment and customer service. You literally can just do the marketing, however much time you decide to spend on that a day. Let's say you do, 15 minutes a day or 30 minutes or an hour a day focused on the marketing can really yield great results. And then you can transition this to even a full-time business. And you guys can see that this really is an awesome model for making money online and why this truly can bring in passive income, because you go and create the content once to promote the product, and then the more people see that content, they click on your links and they buy the products. You've already made that content in the past, and that's what passive income is. You do the work once and you can still get paid for it time and time again. So there you guys go. I hope you guys can now see a glimpse into why I think affiliate marketing is so cool, is because you can earn a full-time income online. It's 100% possible without having to do all of that extra work. It really is taking advantage of your time and your ability to still do the things that you want to do while making that extra income online. So if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing and the step-by-step process on how to get it started, choose the right products, what emails to send, what sales funnels to build, right? You may not be a techie and so you're like, the website, the sales funnels, I'm not sure how to do that. If you guys want a step-by-step process, you guys can go ahead and check out the link down in the description below where you can actually clone my entire affiliate marketing business from scratch. So again, that will be linked down in the description below. And guess what? It's all for free. So you can go ahead, check that out. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe because it really does help support my channel so much. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I do my best to read and respond to every single one of them. I love you guys. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.